This is another version of the Starship Enterprise. Again, it uses a single 160, a single silver 260. The difference in this one is it doesn't need the pop twist. I've blown this up and I've left probably a little closer to 6, maybe 6.5 inches or so uninflated on it. We're going to start the nozzle in, make about a little wider than hand, probably about a 4-inch bubble, 3 inches to 4 inch. Oops. And then we're going to follow that with a pinch twist, so a small round bubble, make it a pinch twist. Then about a 2-finger bubble, followed by another pinch twist. And then a small, little less than a 1-inch bubble, followed by one more pinch twist. Then we're going to need about a 2.5 to 3-finger bubble, followed by another pinch twist. Now 2 small, just barely 2-finger bubbles. And then what we're going to do at the end of the second one, I'm going to bring this back to that pinch twist we just made. Try that again. Bring that around, twist that into that pinch twist. We're making the saucer now. So now we're going to take, and after we've twisted it into the pinch twist, I'm going to wrap it around these 2 bubbles here. So just wrap it around till it comes back to the pinch twist. Turn it around and give your balloon a squeeze to keep it soft, especially when you're working with metallics. Okay, there we have the saucer. Now I'm going to take, and I'm going to make a small bubble along this one, but I'm going to squeeze it so it's a little softer and slightly smaller. And come back down to that pinch twist. That will allow the saucer to sit up at a better angle. If it was as big as that, it would want to push it out more. And now what we need is we're going to make the bottom part of the ship here. So make about a 3-finger bubble, another 3-finger bubble, and then we're going to go out and twist back into that pinch twist right there we just made, or disconnected to, I should say. We made that a little bit ago. Now we're going to repeat and make, let me get that where you can see where we're going with that, our other nacelle assembly over here. So we need the little small bubble, the pinch, that bubble, and then out to there. So the small bubble and the pinch twist. This bubble here, same size, another pinch twist. And then you'll end up with a little bit of extra on this side, so I'm going to make a little hole in the end of this so I can let some air out. I want to get it back down to the same size as this one on the other side. Tie that off, trim it, and just trim that straight. And there you have a single 260 Starship Enterprise, only this time without the pop twist on the back here.